Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use Lost Mode on iPhone 17. So open your iPhone and the Find My app. Go to Devices and select your iPhone 17. Then Lost Mode, continue. Here you can enter the phone number. This phone number can be used when someone finds your iPhone and wants to contact you. And then, next, enter the message. This message will display on your iPhone when someone finds it. And here, notify when found. This feature can only be enabled when there is no recent location for this device. Here are the provided phone number and the message, and receive email updates and activate. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.